Yes, students, today I have defined you some problems of integral equations. Yes, okay. So, you solve a problem yt is equal to, yt is equal to e to the power minus t minus 2 times 0 to t yu cos t minus u du. Okay. So, the solution of this equation can be defined as, now yt is given as e to the power minus t minus 2 times 0 to t yu cos t minus u du. Okay. Now we are using here the convolution theorem. By convolution theorem we know 0 to t, this yu cos t minus u, this become yt and cos of t. Yes. So yt is equal to, this is equal to e to the power minus t and also minus of 2 times yt star. Now here you have write as ft and gt star. Yes, you know convolution theorem, cos t, by using of by convolution theorem, by convolution theorem. Yes, clear? By convolution theorem you have write this. Okay. Now taking the Laplace transform on both sides. Okay? Yes, on both sides. We get, okay, here is Laplace of yt, yes, and here is also Laplace of e to the power minus t, yes, minus 2 times, here is Laplace yt, and here is also Laplace cos t. Yes, clear it? Okay. Now this can be written as, now you know the Laplace of e minus t, this is ys, and this can be written as, you know Laplace of e to the power minus t, this is 1 by s plus 1, minus 2 times yt, that is ys, and you know the Laplace of cos t is s by s square plus 1. Yes, okay. So here is ys and here is ys, so this ys you have to take in common, so this can become as 1 plus 2s by s square plus 1. Okay, and this is equal to 1 by, this is equal to 1 by s plus 1. Clear? So solving this, so ys, this become s square plus 1, and so therefore this can be written as, here s square plus 1, that is s plus 1 whole square divided by this thing. Yes, so this step can also be written as s plus 1 whole square divided by s square plus 1. Is clear? And here is again 1 by s plus 1. Okay, so this is equal to s square plus 1 is here, that is s square plus 1 divided by s plus 1 whole cube. Yes, clear it? Okay. Now taking the Laplace, yes, inverse on both sides. Yes, taking Laplace inverse on both sides. Yes, we have, yes, that is Laplace inverse this by s. Is clear? And here is again Laplace inverse this s square plus 1 and divided by s plus 1. That is the problem is here is now become only inverse problem. Okay, now your problem is become inverse problem. Okay, now for the earlier methods you can solve it. Yes, you apply here is first one, you apply here, this can be done as yt. Okay, and this can be done as, you can here s plus 1 whole square, so you can take here the in the form of the this can be done as s plus 1 whole square, that is you can also write down this term is s minus 1 whole square plus 1. Okay, so using the first shifting property, yes, this can be done as e to the power minus t Laplace inverse. Yes, and here is s minus 1, yes, whole square plus 1 and divided by s cube. Yes, clear? And therefore this can be written as s minus 1, that is 1 by s minus 1. So this can again be written as e to the power minus t, yes, Laplace inverse s square, yes, minus 2s plus 2 and divided by s cube. Yes, clear it? Solving step by step. Yes, yes, that is yt, yes, which is equal to e to the power minus t and Laplace inverse. Yes, linearize this equation. 1 by s square by s cube, that is 1 by s minus 2 by s square plus 2 by s square plus 2 by s cube. Yes, clear? And also you know all the terms, this can be done as e to the power minus t, and here is again, yes, this can be done as Laplace inverse, yes, 1 by s, okay, minus, yes, 2 times Laplace inverse 1 by s square, yes, plus 2 times Laplace inverse 1 by s cube. Okay, and you know the Laplace inverse t to the power n, according to this can be done as e to the power minus t, and here is 1, here is minus 2t, and here is plus 2 into t square by 2. Yes, clear? So this become e to the power minus t, and here become 1 minus 2t plus t square. So the solution is yt is equal to, you can say this is equal to e to the power minus t, and again is 1 minus t whole square. Yes, this is the solution. Yes, I think you have cleared it. Okay, thank you.